Hi again, I'm going to show you now how to use these facets in combination with other characters. Now the facet information or the queries are the different bioregions that are available: Africa, Australasia and Oceania, Central and South America, cosmopolitan species, Europe, Mediterranean and so on. Here's the interesting one, the plant families. We have all of the information that's been associated with the bees. We now have the plant family. So if you go, for example, to the where's one I was going to grab? Myoparaceae tells us there's 128 species of Myoparaceae, that 128 species of bee that have been recorded on Myoparaceae. By simply clicking that facet there, you will get down below the 128 species. There they are. That have been recorded on Myoparaceae as we go on down there. I don't want that at the moment, but I'm just going to show you how that works. Now, while we're playing with this, I'm going to show you the difference in the query. So we've got that there, and I'm going to put Emagilla back up in here. There we are there. And I'm going to leave it as all fields, okay? So now we're going to ask for Emagilla in all fields. Now have a look at also the facets down here. Remember the Myoparaceae had 128 species of bees on it. When we've asked for the Emagilla, it's given us 26 species, and if we go down to the Myoparaceae, you'll see there's only two species of only two species of Amygdala that have been found on Myoparaceae. You might look across on the side here and say, why are there kleptoparasites in the Amygdala? And because you've asked for all fields rather than asking for scientific name, it's picked up in the descriptions that these 7 here, which are indeed Thiurus, that word Emagilla occurs within the species descriptions or the host records for the Thiurus. So you see how you get them down there? Now look, if we go on back and get rid of kleptoparasites, and we get rid of Emagilla, and this time we ask for Emagilla only in the scientific name. So we've got 26 species. When we make that same query again, we're down to 18. So see how the kleptoparasites are gone now? So that's the difference, or the reason why we have different taxonomy, scientific name, common name, bioregion. So make sure you use them because it then specified down, it can make it nice and tight for you. So now if we go down to the Myoparaceae, we've still got the 2 species obviously because the kleptoparasites aren't there, and we click on those and you'll have them there. Now because we're down, hang on, so that's how you can use now these different facets that are available to you in line with the Emagilla. And of course, if you open up the classification, you'll find that there's only 18 species there, and if you move on down, the classification will be built just on those 18 species there. So this is faceted searching. It always brings back the information and rebuilds every time you ask a query. It rebuilds all of the query terms relevant to just the species that have been returned. So it's the metadata within these species that is building this up here for me. So I can never make a silly query. I can never get to a non-answer. Faceted searching is used in e-commerce, and we brought it into such as eBay and Amazon and car auctions. So we brought it into here, but it's a wonderful way that all of the information is relevant to all of the information there. And now if you want, we can go on down here and make a query down here and add it to there as well. So you can see how the query terms build up.